Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to customize your checkout page in Kajabi. This is essential for creating a branded professional checkout experience that aligns with your business identity and can even help improve your conversion rates. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. Once you're on the Kajabi homepage, look for the login button and click it. Enter your credentials to sign in to your account. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, simply click on Get Started to create one and follow the setup prompts. After logging in, you'll land on your Kajabi dashboard. Direct your attention to the left navigation panel where you'll see various menu options. Click on Sales, which will trigger a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, locate and click on the option labeled Offers. This section houses all your product offerings and their associated checkout pages. You'll now be on the Offers page where you can see all the offers you've created. Browse through your list and select the specific offer for which you want to customize the checkout form. Click on that offer to open its details page. This is where you can manage everything related to that particular product or service. Once you're on the offer details page, look toward the upper right part of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Edit Checkout. Click on this button to access the checkout customization interface. This is where the real magic happens, giving you full control over how your checkout page looks and functions. Now you're in the checkout customization page, and this is where you can truly make it your own. You have the flexibility to add images that reflect your brand, insert text blocks with custom messaging, or include additional elements that enhance the customer experience. Arrange these components based on your preferences to create a checkout flow that feels natural and professional. You might want to add trust badges, customer testimonials, or detailed product descriptions to build confidence at this crucial purchase stage. Once you've finished designing your checkout page to match your business needs, click the Save button located in the upper right part of your screen to preserve all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Kajabi checkout page to create a more engaging and branded experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.